Hmm. So linear programming. Linear programming is actually, before going to start the linear programming, you need already have solved how to solve the linear inequalities. So with the help of the linear inequalities, where do we help and how do we find out the different problems? Let us see here in this chapter. So linear programming problems. Okay. So first in the linear programming, you need to know that finding the solution of the any linear inequation. Linear inequality equation, if it is given x plus y less than 6, x plus y less than 6 will represent one half plane, and first you have to draw the line which is represents x plus y is equals to 6. So line, how do we draw the line in the graph? You know that by taking any two constants, a x value consider करना है, y find out करना है. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So then in the what is origin is substituted in the given inequation. So less than r, true है. So origin is present in the direction. Wherever origin is in that direction, you have to shade the yellow color. So the yellow color half plane represents the x plus y less than 6. So if you take the another segment, another inequation, and दोनों को common part whatever you are having, that is a common region for the both inequations. So this is a common region for the both inequations. So this another line is taken into consider here. So now let us consider the one problem, linear programming problem. So the question is given to you. You consider here the question is given to you. A manufacturer makes the two models A and B of a product, different models of a product. Each model should be processed by two machines. To complete the, so once again, let me show here. Question may clearly divided. Yes, this is the question here. So what is going to complete the one unit of the model A? The machine 1 and 2 works for 1 hour, 2 hours respectively. Machine 1 hour work करना है, machine 2 hours. To complete the one unit of the model B, machine 1 and 2 works 4 hours and 2 hours respectively. Machine 1 may not operate more than 8 hours per day. Machine 2 do not operate more than 10 hours per day. If the profit on the model A and B per the unit is 100 rupees and 200 rupees respectively, how many units of the each model should be manufactured to produce per a day to get a maximum profit? So maximum profit, minimum cost, maximum profit, minimum cost will be such type of the problems will be discussed in this. Okay, so whenever you are taking this question, so this model of the problems are the linear programming problems. Okay, now see the in this situation the problem that seeks to maximize or minimize profit or a cost of a general class of the problems are called optimization problems. These problems are called optimization problems. Okay, so now here linear programming problem. What is mean by linear programming problem? Okay, so here see that the problem whenever you are taking here in which linear inequations are involved with respect to the one objective function is called, so graphical method में solve कर सकते हैं this linear programming problem. So now in this previous problem what is given, number of units of model A x consider करना है, number of units of model B y consider करो. So both number as they are numbers both should be greater than 0, x greater than 0 and y also should be greater than 0. Okay, so please try to recall the question once again so that easily you can understand. Question आप दोबारा recall कर लो. So see the question here. Yes, this is the question. Sorry. Manufacturer. See here what manufacturer makes the models of A. Last में question में क्या दे रहे हैं? How many units of each model should be manufacturer produce? Model A, model B. So model A x number consider करो, model B y number you have to consider. So both should be greater than 0. Time taken by the machine 1 and to make the one unit both models. एक unit करना है तो 1 hour 4 hours. So first one model A के लिए 1 hour, model B के लिए 4 hours. So please here concentrate the problem. ये problem देखो, ये इस प्रॉब्लम में machine 1 works 1 hour 2 hours means machine 1 model A के लिए 1 hour भरते हैं. To complete the model B, machine 1 4 hours करते हैं. So machine 1 maximum 8 hours दे दिया है, तो machine 1 काम करने का टाइम चाहिए, तो on producing the model A 1 hour it is working, on producing the model B it is working 4 hours. See this point. Is it visible to you? 4 hours. Arrow mark is visible to you. 4 hours. देखो 4 hours here it is given to you, and here it is given to you 2 hours. So the solution whenever you are taking 1x plus 4y hours, machine 1 works, and machine 1 cannot be used more than 8 hours. So ये these many hours it is using in a day. So it should not be more than 8. This should not be more than 8. So less than or equal to 8 होना है. So the another inequation you are going to get, x plus 4y is less than or equal. Same way, machine 2 to be used 2x plus 2y. Machine 2 model A produce करने के लिए 2, model B produce करने के लिए 2 hours. But number of model A x, number of models B y. So 2x plus 2y. This should not be more than 10 hours. So this should not be more than 10 hours. So 2x plus 2y less than or equals to 10. So x plus y less than or equals to y on simplification. The profit on model A is 100 rupees and model B is 200 rupees. Profit on model A is 100 rupees and model B is 200 rupees. So 200x plus 200y. The total profit is 100x plus 200y. So this is called objective function. So which is to be maximum. ये profit है, ये this should be, we have to maximize. So maximize the z 100x plus 200y. 100x plus 200y. So objective function is nothing but what here? A linear function z is equals to ax plus by, where a, b are the constants which has to be maximized or minimized subject to the linear inequality constraints is called a linear objective function. So this is the definition of the objective function. So either we have to maximize it or we have to minimize it. So which one we are making maximize and which one we are making minimize is called as a objective function. And constraints is nothing but inequations. Constraints we call them as a inequations. So with respect to what inequations? So x greater than y, y greater than 0, x greater than 0 represents obviously first quadrant. दोनों पॉजिटिव किधर होगा? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. We have to draw the x plus 4y less than or equal to 8. So x plus y is equal to 8 draw करो. 2 points should be taken and any 2 points. लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. वो लेस देन बोला है तो टुवर्ड्स द ऑरिजिन. लेस देन बोला तो टुवर्ड्स द ऑरिजिन डायरेक्टली यू डोंट टेक एनी पॉइंट. ये लाइन है ना, दिस इज अ लाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज अ लाइन हियर. x plus 4y is equals to 8. ऑरिजिन सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, वो x plus 4y is equal. Suppose we are taking x plus y less than 5. So x plus y is equal to 5, line should be drawn. Then after, which side you have to shade? Less than or equal to will represents the half plane. And whenever is equal to given, the points which are present on the line also to be taken into consideration. So here the common region of these inequalities, ये सारा region का inequalities का common region है, it is called feasible region. What is we call? It is called as feasible region or feasible solution. The common region of the inequalities you can say, or you can say constraints. Inequalities are constraints. So this is called as a feasible region or feasible solution. And it contains the border points. Based on the theorem, 2 theorems, we are going to have the find out the maximize or minimize the given problem. So what are the theorems means? R be the feasible region of the linear programming problem. At z is equals to ax plus by is an objective function. If R is closed, means previous problem में क्या है? Closed आया है हमको region. Feasible region is closed. Okay, and it is called as bounded. Then the objective function has both maximum or minimum value in the on the R, and the each of the these occurs at the corner points only. बीच में किधर भी नहीं होगा, only vertices किधर होगा उधर maximum minimum value will occur. So that is the theorem number 1. So this is at the place of vertices only it is going to have. So if it is bounded is nothing but the feasible region is closed. If the feasible region is closed, then it is called bounded, and in that situation maximum minimum corners में होता है, vertices में. In case if it is open, एक side open हो जाता है at unbounded, then the maximum or minimum value objective function may not exist. However, if it exists, in case exist होता है तो it must occur at a corner point of the region only. Normally exist नहीं होता है, there may not chances are there. So now come back to the another problem here, unbounded problem thing. This is an unbounded situation. So here example, R is open. देखो ये common region है, A, B, C, D are the points are taken, and with the pink color whatever it is shown to you, it is unbounded. So maximum profit of the value of the objective function occurs, may not exist. If exist, it must occur at a corner point. So case 1 में क्या है? Objective function is ax plus by. So then half plane determined by ax plus by greater than p has no point in the common. Actually क्या ना, इसमें किधर minimum point होता है उधर exist होगा. So here see here, this is the objective function, वो less than है. Objective function less than वाला तो एक ही point में है, ये point है. This point में it is going to have the maximum value or minimum value. So then the p is the maximum value of the objective function, or else there is no maximum value. And second case, q is the minimum value of the z if open half plane is determined by ax plus by less than q, has no point in the common. ये less than q में कुछ भी point नहीं है. Then there is maximum value, q is the maximum value, and otherwise z has no minimum value. In that case minimum value. So this is a method of finding the maximum or minimum. Actually unbounded problems are not given to you in your syllabus. Syllabus से वो delete कर दिया है. Bounded only is there this year. Okay. So now here whenever you come back to the our first starting problem में ये bounded है. So the maximum profit will exist to any one of the points O, A, B, C points. O 0, 0, A 5, 0, B 4, 1, C 0, 2. In these points, what is the maximum value of the objective function? Objective function क्या है? 100x plus 200y. 100x plus 200y. So the corner points are x, y. So value of the objective function is z है. इसमें point substitute करना है. First point substitute कर ले तो 0 आ जाएगा. Second point substitute कर ले तो 500. Third point 4, 1 substitute कर लिया तो 600. Next another corner point substitute कर लिया तो 400. इसमें maximum किधर आ रहे हैं? 600. So at this point maximum profit is going to get for the objective function. So therefore you can say that, what you can say? Model A number of units, 4, number of units of model B 1 unit to produce maximum profit. ज़्यादा profit आने के लिए this should be. So next we are going to have manufacturing problems. Another model of the problem is manufacturing. Here tight problems will be there, transportation along with this. Next upcoming problems are one model. Let us go into discuss. This is manufacturing problems. Linear programming is a special case of optimism problem. Linear programming is a special case. Optimism problems में This is one special case, okay? And we are going to learn now manufacturing problems. In these problems, we determine the number of units of the different, same model, number of units of different products that should be produced or sold by a firm when each product requires a fixed manpower or machine hour or labor hour per unit of the product. Warehouse space for the unit of the means. When you see the problem, then you will be able to understand. It is not necessary to a problem thing. This problem you see here. A box manufacturer makes small and large boxes, just like a previous problem, from a large piece of cardboard. एक cardboard से small box से large box करेंगे. Large boxes require 4 square feet of the cardboard per box, and while the small boxes require 3 square feet of the cardboard per box. A manufacturer is required to make at least 3 large boxes. At least 3 large boxes and at least twice as many small boxes as large boxes. And if 60 square feet of the cardboard is stock, and if the profit on the large, this is profit, and small boxes 3 rupees 2 rupees, means large boxes X consider karo, small boxes Y consider karo, then the profit function or objective function will get 3x plus 2y, which is to be maximized. Maximum profit aana hai na. So how many of each should be made in order to maximize the total profit? Total profit को maximum करने के लिए which should be used? So number of model, large models X consider करो, small models Y consider करो, 3x plus 2y आ जाएगा. And constraints will get depending upon the condition. Let us see the solution here. Orally, if I explain to you, you may get confused. With the solution, you see the question. Okay? So read the question carefully here. Large boxes require 4 square foot of the cardboard. So number of large boxes क्या है? We consider X. So all the large boxes X, whenever you take, each large box requires 4 square feet of the cardboard per box. Okay? So see the solution here. X number of small, okay, reverse में consider कर ले, X small number, Y large number of boxes. X should number में है ना, so number है तो greater than 0 should be there. X. Each small box require 3 square foot of the cardboard, and each large box require 4 square foot of the large cardboard. So that is nothing but 3x plus 4y is the total cardboard required. Total cardboard required is 3x plus 4y. That should be less than 60. Why? Stock में कितना है? Total 60 square feet of the cardboard is available. And yet, as at least 3 is given to you, and this point, please note this point here. Number of small boxes is at least twice that as that of the large box. This model question you are having one more in your textbook also. Small boxes is, number of small boxes is at least as that of the, twice as that of the large boxes. So twice से at least बोला है, वो at least is nothing but उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, उसको equal भी हो सकता है. Minimum वो है, so double of the large boxes से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, but minimum उसको उससे equal होना है. So that is called at least. So when at least is given to you, this condition X greater than or equals to 2y to be used. So please concentrate on this model of the problems. The profit function is obviously small box पे 2 rupees है, large box पे 3 rupees है, 2x plus 3y. We are going to get it. Now you see that whenever you represent this is called objective function, and these objective function to be maximized to get a profit, total profit. The constraints are this one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 constraints. And first 2 inequations represent the first quadrant. So all that should be in a first quadrant. X greater than 0, y greater than 0 represents first quadrant. Next, the this is completely represents the first quadrant. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. Equal to 60 line लेना है by taking any 2 points, ordered pairs, 2 ordered pairs. Any x should be considered and y you are going to get it. एक 0 कंसिडर करो, दूसरा आ जाएगा. So x greater than 2y. The common region for the both is to be taken into consider. X greater than or equals to 2y. And y is equal to 3 is a line parallel to the x-axis. And we need y greater than 3. Y greater than 3 means upper part. So the तीनों को common region blue color में highlight कर लिया है. So A point, B point, C point. So these are the corner points, the maximum feasible ratio. So as per the theorem, we are going to have the maximum profit any one of these three corners. So maximum profit, objective function values you have to find out in these three corners. 6, 3 पे substitute कर लो. Simple problems, उसमें कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. And if you substitute the another point 12, 6, if you substitute the 16, 3, the maximum profit you are getting 42 at the point 12, 6. So 12, 6 is nothing but if you make number of small cardboards 12 boxes and 6 large boxes should be made with the 60 square feet of them. You can make other also, but if you make like this, the maximum profit you are going to get it. Okay, these type of the problems are called manufacturing problems. Next, diet related problems means mixing of the food to make the, here also see here manufacturing problems हम लोग means which type should be manufacturing, same model है. डाइट प्रॉब्लम में क्या है, वन shopkeeper used to make the sweets and he is going to mix the different two types of the sweets. Maximum profit आने के लिए which ratio they have to mix, like that diet problems will be given to you. Okay, so in the diet problem, whenever you are taking into consider what is given to you in these type of the problems, we determine the amount of the different kinds of the nutrients or sweets, whatever it may be, and constituent to that are included in a diet, such as the cost of the diet is minimum or it contains the certain minimum amount of each constituents. So these, like this, if you see that yes, now you see here this problem, this type of the problems are called a housewife wishes to mix together two kinds of food P, food Q, in such a way that the mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A, 12 units of vitamin B, 8 units of vitamin C. At least बोले तो vitamin A 10 units और इससे ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकते हैं. At least 10, minimum तो 10 यूज़ करना ही करना है vitamin A. So 12 units of vitamin B, 8 units of vitamin C. And the number of units of the vitamin in 1 kg of the each kind of the food is given below like this. Food P में vitamin A 1 unit, vitamin B 2 units, vitamin C 3 units. 1 kg of the food P cost 6 rupees, 1 kg of the food Q cost 10 rupees. 1 kg, 1 kg. Find the minimum cost of the mixture that will produce the required diet. रिक्वायर्ड डाइट के लिए सो मिनिमम कास्ट क्या होगा फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हियर लेट x kgs of food P is produced, y kgs of, or see here the solution will show to you x kgs of food P and y kgs of food Q if it is taken into consider. See here x kgs of food P, y kgs of food Q. So here in this problem, here it is given 6 rupees profit, 6 रुपीज 1 kg में 6 रुपीज आ जाएगा एंड फूड क्यू में 10 रुपीज. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट टोटल 6x plus 10y. You are going to get, that is objective function, and here this number should be compulsory greater than 0 as food P has 1 unit of vitamin A while food Q has 2 units. ये 1 unit है 2 units है, so x plus 2y and vitamin A maximum कितना है, at least 10 units बोला है, so this is minimum 10 होना है, 10 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, that is nothing but x plus 2y should be greater than or equals to 10. And food B has 2 units and food Q having 2 units of vitamin B. Vitamin B total कितना है 2x plus 2y. This should be greater than or equal to 12 units because at least 12 units of vitamin B is given to you in the problem. At least 12 units of vitamin B is given to you in the problem. So in the same way 3x plus y, 3x vitamin C ले लिया तो 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 8 you are going to get in case of vitamin C. Three x plus y greater than or equals to 8. Why? Because vitamin C also at least 8. Minimum तो 8 और 8 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन में दे दिया है. Concentrate on the question. Question में ऊपर दे दिया है. So 3x plus y greater than or equals to 8. This is another constraint. And 1 kg of the food P cost 6 rupees. Food Q cost 10 rupees. The total cost is 6x plus 10y. Total cost of the food P is 6x and food Q is 10y. So 6x plus 10y total cost. So all the problems will be like this only mostly, but constraint by giving the questions देके constraints find out करना main important है. So here objective function is minimize करना है. These are the yellow color में क्या दिखाया? They are constraints. Now we have to draw the constraints. X greater than 0, y greater than 0 represents obviously first quadrant. First quadrant represent करेगा. ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है. ओके, x plus 2y greater than 10 के लिए x plus 2y is equal to 10 लाइन ड्रा करना है by marking the ordered pair 0, 5, 10, 0 which satisfies. Greater than बोले तो 6 upwards x plus y and here x plus y greater than or equals to 6 whenever you are taking 3x plus y greater than or equals to 8. All are greater than. So upwards, and for all common parties it is unbounded region. This yellow part is common for all because all are open greater than 0. So the corner points is 10, 0, P 2, 4, C 1, 5 and D 0, 8. Graph में easily you can find out. Marking on a graph is very essential here. So corner points x, y if you are taking corner points पे value of the objective function we need to find out. 60 हो जाएगा. B point पे B point 2, 4 substitute कर लो 52 हो जाएगा. C point 1, 5 पे 56. D point पे 80. Minimum किधर आ रहा है? B point पे आ रहा है. We need to find out the minimum cost of the mixture. कास्ट कम होना है, अच्छा फूड होना है, conditions all should be satisfied. So the minimum value of the jet is at the corner points only it will satisfy. This is unbounded problem है. Okay, 2, 4 पे satisfy. So the feasible region is unbounded. We need to draw a graph of the inequality. 2, 4 में कितना आया? 52 आया ना. 6x plus 10y less than 52. ये inequality ड्रा करना है because 52 से कम. तो 3x plus 5y less than 26. So there is no common point between the feasible region and the ये half plane. ये दोनों को common point क्या है? Only the B is the common point. Because actually common point नहीं है. So therefore, minimum value of the z is 52 attained at a corner point. Corner points पे होता है, so that is nothing but 2 kilograms of the food P, 4 kilograms of the food Q mixture if you are making that housewife, then with a minimum cost and all the conditions satisfying, you are going to get it. So this is called a diet related problem. Next, transportation problem. Suppose if you are traveling from one place to another place, these problems are called transportation problems. Manufacturing problems हो गया है, diet problems हो गया है, then transportation problems. In this, determine the transportation schedule to order to find out. So देखो ये एक question है. Read the question here properly. An aeroplane can carry the maximum 200 passengers. A profit of the 400 is to be made on executive class ticket. Executive class ticket में 400 rupees profit होगा. 300 rupees on each economy class ticket. So the airline reserves at least 20 seats for executive class. However, at least 4 times as many passengers prefer to travel by the economy class than by the executive class. Condition is this. Determine how many tickets of each type must be sold. So economy class का X consider कर लो, sir. Otherwise executive class X consider कर लो. So they have to, condition is given. Determine how many tickets of each type must be sold in order to maximize the airline's profit. If you are taking Air India, Indigo, ये है. So conditions are given by the government. Suppose. What are the conditions given? 200 profit, 200 passengers will be there in an aeroplane. Profit on executive maximum 400, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना है. Okay? And economy class में 300 rupees profit होना है. So if they sold number of tickets, see, let the number of tickets of the executive class be X and number of tickets of the economy class will be Y. So what is the maximum? Both should be greater than 0. And the condition is here, maximum number of profits are, passengers are 200. So X plus Y should be less than or equal to 200, is equal to 1. The airline reserves at least 20 seats for the executive class. So executive class tickets कितना है? 20. So 20 at least बोला है. So the X should be greater than or equals to 20. 20 हो सकता है, 20 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. And also condition is given that at least 4 times as many passengers prefer to travel in economy class by the executive class. So what is the condition? And also given that at least 4 times as many passengers prefer to travel by economy. 4 times economy में travel करने वाला. Okay, at least 4 times as many passengers prefer to travel by economy class than by the executive class. So here the condition you are going to get y greater than or equals to 4x. Main these problems में ऐसा वाला conditions, at least wherever it is given to you, that problem should be concentrated. So if you understand the situation, then easily. Profit is given to you 400 on executive class, 300 on economy class. So 400x plus 300y will become the objective function. Same model hai, but situations are all different here. One is diet related problem, transportation problem, manufacturing problem. Like that, situations are different, and you need to draw the graphs for these inequations. X plus y less than or equal to 200 is nothing but x greater than 0, y greater than 0 will represents the first quadrant. Obviously, it is first quadrant. Okay, so now is equal to 0 line, you are going to get the ordered pairs by marking these ordered pairs, and less than 0 is nothing but the blue color. Y greater than or equals to 4x. Y greater than or equals to 4x. See here, when the line is passing through the greater than or equal to 4x, कैसे mark करना है sir? You may get out here. y equal to 4x ये है. You take any pointer and substitute in the y greater than or equal to 4x. If it satisfies which point you are substituting, that direction you need to shade. That you already learned in a 11th class. So x is equal to 20 lines. So the common region, feasible region, you are going to get a triangular part A, B, C with the 20, 80, 40, 160 and C 20, 180. Like this. Now we need to find out maximum profit. So objective function में ये point substitute करना है. Where do we get a maximum profit? That you need to find out. So maximum profit you are getting 64,000. When they sold 40 160. So 40 160 point is nothing but 40 tickets of executive class and 160 tickets of economy class. If they sold the condition, they are going to get the maximum profit with satisfying the condition. Okay, so this is a transportation problem. Let us take the one more transportation problem also into consider. Okay, so here transportation problem है ये one model है. Okay, a factory each is located at two places. Factory is located in two places, P and Q. From these locations, a certain commodity is delivered to each depot situated at A, B, C. The weekly requirement of the depot A, B, C are 554 units. So 5 units depot A को जाना है, 5 units depot B को जाना है, 5 units depot 4 को जाना है. So while the production capacity of the factories P and Q are 8 units and 6 units respectively, the cost of the transportation per unit is given below. So P location is there. From that A को जाने के लिए 16, 10 rupees, 15 rupees cost. And how many units of the to be transported from factory to the each depot in order to ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कास्ट मिनिमम, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिनिमम कास्ट में सारा कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना है. सो दिस इज आल्सो वन मॉडल ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम इन अ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके, सो प्रॉपरली कॉन्सेंट्रेट द क्वेश्चन. कंस्ट्रेंट्स फ्रेमिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. मैं एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू कंस्ट्रेंट्स फ्रेमिंग तक. सो द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू हियर 16. नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रॉम P to A is X, P to B is Y. P to A, X consider, P to B is Y, you are considering like that number of units, and number of units C, because here it is question is given to you 8 units completely P to maximum. देखा लो क्वेश्चन, अब दोबारा मैं क्वेश्चन दिखा दूंगा. I will show you the question. So what is given here? See, capacity is 8. Capacity is 8. So either X, either Y means total 8 minus X plus Y. And here P capacity, Q capacity is 6. So here you are going to get it 6. A here 5 minus X. Why? Because why 5 minus X this one? Q. Because at the A maximum 5 units requirement. Requirement is 5 units given. So already X here you consider, so 5 minus X. Here B max requirement is 5. So 5 minus Y you are going to get it. And C requirement is 4. 4 minus this one you are going to get at the place of E. See, X plus Y. 4 actually 4 minus 8 C. 4 minus C. So inequality is what do you get? X greater than 0, Y greater than 0. That is obviously you know that. Okay, and X less than 5, X less than 5, Y less than 5. ये 5 से कम होना है, and both together X plus Y should be less than 8. 8 से कम होना है. And the conditions see here. Whenever you see the problem, then you are going to understand here. So total cost of the transportation is given by P to A is 16 rupees, P to B is 10 rupees, P to C is 15 rupees. So 16 into X plus 10 into Y That's 15 into 8 plus 8 minus of x plus y plus 10 into 5 minus x, 12 into 5 minus y, and 10 into x. This simplifying will give you the objective function. Constraints आ गया है and objective function भी आ गया है. Okay, constraints you got it and objective function you got it. So that constraints representing on a graph. X minus 7y plus 90 है. So like this, if you continue the problem, same way graph में represent करना है. How to represent on a graph? Is the presentation stopped? Hello?
Sir, it's showing up to means objective function z is equals to x minus 7y plus 190.
With respect to this objective function, constraints you have to draw on a graph. Graph में draw करना है. Then after, same model problem, but this model is different here. Okay, model is different. Okay, these are the different models of the problems we are going to have here.